Hello there, this is Business Prime. My name is Kelvin Nyakundi. Now, Kenya currently produces only about 13,000 tons of cashew nuts annually, far below its installed processing capacity of 45,000 tons. Now, with this, Kenya is aiming to cash in. The government is moving to revive the country's struggling cashew nut industry, which has been operating far below capacity and costing the economy thousands of jobs. Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Kagwe says a full revival could create jobs, inject over 30 billion shillings into the GDP and restore coastal communities' livelihoods.
Ivory Coast exports 1 million tons of cashew nuts. So in Kenya, we are doing 13,000 tons. In Ivory Coast, they are doing 1 million tons. And we cannot emphasize enough that I feel very strongly, but both as a national government and as county governments, we have let our farmers down. And this has to change. We have to take responsibility for the reduction in cashew nut production. Tunataka tuwe na mkutano wa national government, county governments, the farmers and the private sector who are the processors. Tukutane hivi karibuni ndio tusungumze vile tunaweza kuwa na a vibrant cashew nut sector.
President Donald Trump's administration has withdrawn from